Want to practice your photography around your house? If you get creative, you can get some really great shots and have fun in the process. Even being confined to a small space, there are always really interesting subjects if you look closely, pun intended. Thanks to the support of Tamron, I'll explain what close-up photography is and how to get great shots using a Tamron 20mm f2.8 lens for the Sony E-mount on the Sony a7R IV. So what is close-up photography? Close-up photography is a tightly framed shot of the subject, typically filling the frame. The main point is to highlight detail and give the viewer a feeling of presence with the subject. An important aspect of close-up photography is your minimum focus distance of your lens. Now, being able to get as close to your subject while still being in focus is key in close-up photography. With this lens, you'll be able to get closer to an object than most lenses, as its minimum focusing distance is 4.3 inches. That's pretty close. And the great thing about close-up photography is that you can get really close to whatever is around you and discover details you normally wouldn't. It could be a houseplant, your watch, or favorite jewelry, an instrument, blades of grass, flowers, and other small things you may find outdoors. Photographing insects may be challenging at first, but it's all about patience. Now you want to make sure you choose the right lens for the type of subject. Shorter focal length lenses tend to have low magnification and will force you to physically move close to your subject. Now, this is okay if you're photographing something that's not skittish like an insect. Longer focal length lenses would be better when you don't want to disturb your subject. Telephoto lenses provide you with high magnification without having to stand so close to your subject. A good example would be taking a photo of a butterfly. You're not going to be able to physically get close to it as it will usually fly away, so use a longer focal length lens to capture the beauty of the butterfly. I find close-up photography to be very pleasing and educational. It's an easy way to slow yourself down, enjoy what's surrounding you, learn about how your camera and lens works, and improve your photography skills. What's your favorite subject to take photos of? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, remember, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.